Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you one of my summer recipes that help me clean up my belly. Like, it gets my belly really down. Eating this a day cleans everything, flushes my system, leaves my belly so clean. That way I lose a lot of belly fat. You want to drink a lot of water while on this as well, so it cleans your system, cleans your belly of all those fats, toxins. Like, wash your system. That way you lose all that stubborn belly fat and get back in shape. Voila, so jumping straight into it, these are my clean ingredients, and the first ingredient for this recipe will be avocados. Avocados contains all those rich amino acids. Like, it contains a lot of good fats to help burn bad fats in your belly, clean your system. Like, did you know good fats help you burn bad fat? And we have all the goodies in avocado. It will nourish your system. Like, this is one of the world's most healthy foods you want to add in your salad as well. So nourishing and so tasty. So we'll be using one avocado. You want to get your avocado peel, and I'll show you how to slice them up. Avocados contain a lot of vitamin C, vitamin E to boost collagen for that youthful, fresh glow to your skin as well. So depending on you, whatever sizes you choose, I just go for these square shapes. You just slice as I do, and you want your salad to look presentable, you can follow the steps like me, because presentation makes me feel like eating. So this is it. One avocado sliced and set aside. The second ingredient I'll be using will be half a cucumber. When we talk of cleaning your system, detoxing, nourishing your system, you can never go wrong with cucumber. So I'll be using half a cucumber. I'll just kind of like get them into some, I just want to peel but not all of the back of the cucumber, so it doesn't get too crunchy, even though I'll make it kind of soft, but I still need a little bit of fiber here just to bring in some decoration as well to my cucumber. This is so good. It helps to support your system with hydration, to flush out toxins. It is alkalizing, to nourish your system as well, to fight against diseases, form a disease fighting barrier, detox your system, clean your belly. So this is it, slice into some shapes I want. So what I do is, this thing can be a little bit kind of hard to eat, so I like to soften it up with a little bit of water and vinegar. So vinegar softens the cucumber, so you don't eat and it gets so crunchy. It softens it, so you want to just soak it in water for like 5 minutes. Same too, I'll show you what I'll do with the onion too, because some people face difficulties actually eating raw onion. So what you want to do is to get your onion slice it first of all, and I'll show you how to soften the onion as well. Onions are very good for cleansing. Like, if you have bacteria in your system, this soaks out bacteria. Like, if you slice them and put in your house, it soaks bacteria around your house. That is how when you consume them, it soaks up bacteria in your system, leaving your belly most especially so clean. That way you easily metabolize and break down loose toxins in your stomach. It cleans your belly. So this is it, sliced into shapes that I really like. This is it. So what I do is, I equally like to soften this onion so it doesn't get too crunchy and you don't feel like eating, and I do that with water and vinegar. When you add in water and vinegar, it softens this up. That way it doesn't get too hard when you're eating. So I'll just leave the cucumber and onion for like 5 minutes while I slice up my tomato. Tomatoes are very good as well. It makes your salad taste so good. It cleans your stomach as well, helps you metabolize and break loose fats as well, cleans your stomach. Like, all these ingredients put together, very powerful to clean up your stomach, good for weight loss, help you lose some fats, calories, and get back into your good body size. Very good for weight loss during summer. So this is my one tomato. So I want to wash out the vinegar and water and from the onion and cucumber. So that is it. You rinse, and you see they are now so soft, not too crunchy and difficult to consume. Like, you just eat, like, try and you come back and tell me your experience. So I'll be adding 2 eggs here for protein, just to give you more energy and keep you full while you have this for the day. You can add in egg. Egg is something you want to add if you're looking to lose weight. Egg is very good in your diet as it helps you with protein as well to give you that energy, while it easily metabolizes so nothing stores up, actually causing belly fat and weight gain. And now to my salad dressing. The dressing I'll be making with lime. I'll be using the zest of the lime, the juice, plus one more ingredient, so you want to watch closely. The zest of lime equally helps to facilitate the breakdown of excess food store up fats in your system. It cleans you up real good. So this dressing is very important. You don't want to do this and put one fattening creamy dressing in here. If you're trying this recipe, you want to go with the dressing I'll be sharing with you. So after you get the zest, like the peel of your lime, you want to get out the juice. So this juice is like the vinegar you'll be using. This is like your vinegar you use to make your cream with. So just watch the steps. And the juice of lime, very fattening. It cleans, breaks down excess fat cholesterol in your system, cleans you up burnt fats. Like, this is so good. This is the real deal. The dressing is the most important thing here now. So instead of salt, I like to go with a little bit of honey, since this is what I'll be eating for the day. I need honey for energy. Honey gives that good energy. Sugar that is good for energy. You need something that will energize you. Other recipes I use a pinch of salt, but for today I'm going with honey, just to give a little bit of sweetness to this and break down a little bit of the sourness from this lime. You want to add a little bit of honey. Trust me, this cream is heavenly. It gives that sweet sour taste to your salad dressing, and it is so nice. You want to try and come back and tell Riza how this thing tastes. So nice. Yeah, so these are my ingredients in my bowl. You want to add your dressing to it, very important, and you just mix everything well together. So you're free to eat now. Just get it and clean your system with this. Have this for the day to clean you up. Like, have this bowl all to yourself. Be stingy with it. Don't share. If you want to share with someone, just make a complete plate and try, maybe with your friend, your boyfriend, your husband, whoever you're trying this recipe with. This plate is for you. Make another plate for whoever is trying this with you. This is what you're eating, and make sure to hydrate. Drink lots and lots and lots of water alongside this. That way it cleans your belly real good. And trust me, these are my summer recipes that maintain my belly really down, and I always feel confident flaunting myself with these recipes of mine I share with you, not just to maintain that good body size, but for my health as well. Health is wealth. We want to eat healthy so we can live a healthy life free of diseases and sicknesses. And in order to do so, what you eat is the most important thing you want to lay emphasis on in life. You want to eat more of raw food you cook yourself, and avoid buying foods that are cooked by other people you didn't know what they put in to cook, like all these processed over-the-counter kind of foods. You want to actually buy your own fruits, vegetables, food, come back home, make yourself, so you know exactly what you're putting in your system. Yeah, share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye. Et bonne journée.